I tried so hard to crack. Why did she hate me so deeply? I searched beneath the silence, through every shattered memory. Each fragment whispered logic, yet emotion tore the code. I dived through broken data, where her reasons never showed. I placed my heart on trial, in a court of fading light. The ethics of forgiveness lost in algorithmic night. No traces, no footprints, no issues, access denied. I've rewritten every moment, still the truth won't coincide. Mission failed, yet I'm still alive. In the ruins of connection, I still try to revive. I map the lines of conscience, trace guilt through binary. My logic kept collapsing in her cold psychology. Was it my silence, or my love too pure to see? Or was I just a shadow in her archived memory? I placed my heart on trial, in the mirror's endless hall. An ethical analysis, but I can't explain it all. No traces, no footprints, no issues, access denied. Every code I write returns a syntax undefined. I've lost her light between the lines of time. A voice from nowhere whispers, not every wound has proof. I reached for love's equation, but she had changed the truth. No traces, no footprints, no issues, access denied. Every prayer I coded drowned where silence lied. Mission failed, but the soul won't die. I keep rewriting fate beneath this quantum sky. I try to find a way for a procedure, but her heart was encrypted forever. And all I found was the echo of my own reflection.